to once again invite the beautiful, the talented. Something extremely, this is extraordinary.
I hope you liked it too. Not just us.
How did you guys like it? Was it nice? Yes or no? Come on guys, can we make some noise? How was it? Lovely. Radhika, we'd love to know your experience. This is a complete different film that you...
One of the, I think, most difficult films to do because there was a lot of research that went into it because it's, you know, a panic, when you get a panic attack, it's not like a stressful day कि आज मेरी train miss हो जाएगी तो stress आ गया और panic हो गया. It's an actual disorder, so it has its own symptoms, it's biological. मतलब जैसे बुखार आता है वैसे panic attack आता है, तो you can't do anything about it. It comes biologically, naturally to you. So I had to do a lot of research for that, and I think there's a very thin balance. We were trying to say a few things in the film, and we had to make it really grippy and edgy, and so it used to be lots of discussions on sets. I think emotionally and physically it was a bit stressful to perform, but I think I had a great time playing Mehak.
Wow, Radhika, we actually would want to know more about your character. I mean, this is something
said
that's giving us goosebumps.
Yeah, I said so much about my character earlier.
A little more about that.
My directors and producers sitting there, they'll kill me.
I think in that case, I think we should call him on stage, ladies and gentlemen. The man who gave us Ragini MMS. Let's all put our hands together. All I would want to know is that how phobia happened to you.
Well, the idea was to try and do something different with the genre, and I think I started from there. And I think the idea of playing with fear and paranoia and actually making a film that is completely based on that was where the genesis was.
Wow, and how was your experience?
It was wonderful. I mean,
Your experience working with her?
I asked for a better actor and
Wow.
and a better studio to make this movie with.
Thank you. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, with that, I would like to invite on stage our very own Vicky Rajnani. Made you back this film?
I like to do different kind of movies, so this was a very interesting script and a good combination of good director and an amazing performer like Radhika. So I took on the project.
Wow. So I think with that, it's time for me. So yeah, I would now like to announce the open forum. So where do I see the first question coming from?
Hi Radhika. राधिका, बॉलीवुड में जब भी फियर को लेके फिल्में बनती हैं वो अक्सर हॉरर फिल्में होती हैं, भूत प्रेत पे आधारित होती हैं, लेकिन ट्रेलर देख के तो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है सिर्फ फोबिया पर आधारित इस पे भूत प्रेत का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। लेकिन मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपको कभी कोई फोबिया रहा है और उस फोबिया से आप किस तरह से बाहर आए हैं, या ऐसी कहानियाँ आपने सुनी है किसी फ्रेंड को फोबिया रहा हो, कुछ बता सकती हैं?
हाँ, मुझे डर तो बहुत चीज़ों से लगता है, पर आई वोंट से दैट्स कि मुझे फोबिया है, क्योंकि फोबिया इज अ प्रॉपर डिसऑर्डर, तो वो मुझे नहीं है. बट आई हैव टू वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हु सफर फ्रॉम पैनिक डिसऑर्डर. उसमें एक जो है उसको ट्रैवलिंग का फोबिया है, और आई नो हर फॉर आई थिंक 20 years now. She was my teacher in school, and it's so much I've learned from her, so much. And another person I know in London who has agoraphobia actually. So it was when he came to me, actually the first meeting that we had, we met at Leaping Windows, and he told me the story. I said, I can't believe this, because I was actually doing some research on panic disorder with the same friend, and I said that this is a great coincidence that you know, you come with the same, at least the meat was the same.
कोई खास डर?
तो बहुत मुझे डर लगा, तो जाके फिल्म देखो प्लीज. बहुत चीज़ें हैं, आई थिंक जिस चीज़ से डर लगता है उसको ओवरकम करना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. पर आई थिंक मुझे जो भी एक्सपीरियंस है बाकी लोगों की कहानियाँ सुन के या जो भी आई थिंक ये समझना कि मुझे ये फोबिया है और हम मेरे आजू बाजू को लोगों को भी दे आल्सो शुड नो दैट दिस इज अ प्रॉपर डिसऑर्डर इट्स नॉट जस्ट मैं डिप्रेस नहीं हूँ मुझे एक्चुअली फोबिया है ये समझ के उसको डील करने का तरीका सबको पता होना चाहिए और that's the most difficult thing because a lot of time what happens is that people don't identify that it's a phobia and they think इसको क्या हो गया ये पागल हो गई है या इसको डिप्रेशन आ गया है but it's actually a medical condition. So I think that's a very difficult thing for the patient to first identify, be aware of it, and the people around the person.
Hi Radhika, which was directed by Sujay Ghosh, and even that was a psychological thriller. And now even this is a thing. So if you have to say the difference between a short film and a feature film, how would you do that in the same genre?
Your question is a bit tricky because short film are different, and a long film, a feature film are different in because of the length. And you're talking about Ahalya, how Ahalya is different from Phobia, they're completely two different films.
I'm asking about the different approach in terms of characterization. And
They're different films. Even if you give me a comedy film and a horror film, my approach will be different. If you give me two psychological thrillers, my approach will be different because it's a different film altogether, it's a different character, there's nothing similar about the two stories. So it was a fresh, completely fresh new approach.
And another question, you said you shot for the film like in a very limited time. So could you say, and one more question is to the director. So your first film was.
I just enjoy the genre, that's all. You know, fan first and then a filmmaker.
Radhika, either.
Hi, my question is to director as well as the producer. Was Radhika was the first choice?
Yes, that's the first person I spoke to about the movie was Radhika.
And once she was on board, we knew that she would do perfect justice to the script, so we went ahead.
Radhika, are you feeling the pressure because it's a very performance-oriented role? At the same time, you are the only known face, so pressure on the box office.
Pressure. I have decided to go away after the release.
We made a good movie, so we leave it up to the
Yeah,
audience
exactly.
to decide the box office.
You know, you do what you can do. You put 100% in what you do, and I think we have. We've really worked hard. So it's up to you.
हाय राधिका, आलोक हियर।
Hello.
हाय हाय। मेरा सवाल है शूटिंग के दौरान जैसे आप जो भी शॉट लेते थे उसके बाद जब घर जाते थे कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि उस जोन में आप रहे हो?
एक दिन हुआ यार. I'll tell you, this is really funny. Because, जब हम psychological thriller है ना, तो शूट करें तो बहुत सारे discussions होती रहती है कि यार इससे इतना डर लगेगा या इससे डर लगेगा क्या मतलब you constantly trying to calculate कि किससे क्या होगा. And when you're constantly performing, you feel like हाँ इससे इतना डर तो नहीं लगेगा ना ये blah blah blah. 4 o'clock in the night, we packed up. I went home and I went to like change and everything. I think ऊपर कोई तो कुछ furniture move कर रहा था. और मुझे कुछ तो सुनाई दिया and you have no idea how I freaked out. मुझे इतना डर लगा मैं बोला हेलो हेलो करके I went through like सब घर पे घूम के finally I called Benedict who was not in India and I said I can hear something I can't sleep and I have a call time in like 4 hours and what to do and then the next day I went to Pawan I said छोटा भी आवाज आएगा मैं डर जाऊंगी so let's just put it in. So I don't know, it just oh my god, it was scary. I couldn't sleep that day at all.
Hi Radhika. Why agoraphobia among all the phobias? Like claustrophobia is like more common. Why you chose agoraphobia?
Because the story demanded it, according to me. But I think Pawan is better.
It was the idea of being entrapped, and I think agoraphobia lends itself to that really well. You know, the fact that you can't go out, and then when you have something that's trying to push you out, so you're kind of stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea. So that basic concept was really interesting, and that's why.
And I think what happens to her that night is also very important. Which is why she gets agoraphobia. Once you watch the film, you'll know what happens to her, and there is a reason why that happened. There's something we're trying to say, but for that, you have to watch the film.
विकी मेरा सवाल आपसे है आपके लेफ्ट में आप बस सुन लीजिए मुझे पीछे जो ये पोस्टर है इसके बारे में जरा बताएं क्योंकि ये काफी क्रिएटिवली काफी अच्छा
थोड़ा अलग है ना.
हाँ
इसके लिए आपको अच्छा लगेगा. I think the different creative will catch a person's eye. And this is a 2-dimensional photograph, as you can see. So it tells a lot more of the character.
और राधिका कोई ऐसा फोबिया रहा हो आपके भीतर जो जिससे आपने निजात पाई हो पिछले सालों?
As I said, I don't have a actual disorder at all of any sorts. But डर जो है मुझे एक बहुत peculiar चीज़ का डर है actually. I can't swim in swimming pools which are on top floors.
राधिका आपके सामने, रितेश, राधिका इधर आपके सामने, ETV से रितेश, आपके सामने।
मैं बहुत खुद से बात करती हूँ और इसी वजह से एक्चुअली हम बात कर रहे थे कि मैं we were talking a lot. He wanted a scene and I said let's do this because I am so used to talking to myself alone. जब भड़ास बाहर निकाल नहीं सकते तो घर पे मैं निकालती हूँ उसे इमेजिन करके. तो
फिल्म की यूएसपी क्या है? लोग क्यों ये फिल्म देखने जाएं? क्या है एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन बताइए कि लोग फिल्म इस चीज को देखने? तीनों लोग बता सकते।
Well, I think one of the main reasons is Radhika, and her performance is I think by far the best I've seen in a long time. And secondly, I would think that the concept itself has a really unique twist to the genre, and I think we've and also given it enough subtext, and it's not just a pointless thriller movie.
See, it's something very fresh for the audience. People have seen a lot of thrillers, but this kind of thriller has not been made in India. It's a very different kind of movie for the audience. So I think that's going to be the biggest USP. People are going to go in for a different kind of ride.
Radhika, Abhishek, on your left. So besides talking to yourself, how much could you relate to this character of Mehak?
I have an anxiety problem, so quite a lot. No, actually, not too much. But I think that's the beauty of it, because sometimes not sometimes. As an actor, you have to play characters that you don't really, don't relate to story-wise, or don't relate to characteristics-wise, because then you challenge yourself more. But people ask us the question a lot whether you relate to a character or not. So it's a tricky question because somewhere you don't, because I don't have a phobia, I have not gone through what she has gone through or anything like that of that sort. But I think we as individuals can relate to each other because of on an emotional level all the time, because the emotions are the same at the end of the day. And I think that's why to a character you can always relate to. If you look at it kindly and empathize with the character, you can always relate to it.
So it's in a way your pure acting that we can see.
That I don't know. But this is the approach.
Right. Also, Vicky, is there any kind of promotional song, or does this film has music at all?
See, when we don't have a promotional song plan because the songs we were trying to do, was taking a lot away from the movie. So we thought let the movie be as it is and hard hit the audience with a campaign, instead of diluting it with a song.
I think it's really amazing that they've really supported every bit of what we all three of us and the writer and everybody believed in. So I think it's great.
Okay, my question to Radhika आता है जब हम ट्रेलर देखते हैं कितना चैलेंजिंग था आपके लिए or do you went in some sort of workshop before you go the film goes on floor?
फगुनिया हो गए 2-2.5 साल उसके बाद मैंने
still after फगुनिया mountain
पर नहीं of course पर नहीं हमने वर्कशॉप नहीं किया पर हमने मिलके बहुत सारी बातें की बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे बहुत सारे लोगों से मिले and that is homework so we did a lot of homework and it's something when you start working you're excited about you keep thinking about it and that's also kind of workshopping I think but physically as in acting workshop we did not
okay Radhika जिस तरह की फिल्में अब तक आप करती आई हैं हर जगह अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराती हैं क्या आने वाले टाइम में कमर्शियल मसाला फिल्म जहां हम बोलते हैं पेड़ों के इर्द नाचना that too is a tough job क्या करना
I agree with you
क्या करना चाहेंगी given a choice
मैंने कभी खुद को कैटेगराइज किया नहीं है जो फिल्में आती है उसमें जो एक्साइटिंग लगता है मैं करती हूँ मैंने लय भारी भी की मुझे मजा आया करने में अगर कुछ और मिला जिससे मुझे एक्साइटमेंट लगनी चाहिए तो मैं करूँगी मैं एक्टर हूँ सब करना चाहती हूँ
It has been the start of the campaign, if you noticed, has been with the different kind of phobias online, which has really caught on, and I've heard a lot of people asking me that and telling me from the media also that it's a good campaign which has started. And for this movie, obviously, it's going to be targeted towards the metros and multiplex audiences, so it's going to be more on online and television.
Okay, Radhika, ये कुछ साल पहले एक फिल्म आई थी कौन जिसमें उर्मिला आपके सामने ये सामने
जब तक
Sorry, I'm so bad at this. Yes.
One second, one second.
हाँ हाँ, तो आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है?
The question is मैम कि उसकी कहानी और इस फिल्म की कहानी बहुत सिमिलर लग रही है.
हाँ,
कितनी डिफरेंट है ये फिल्म
आप जब जाके देखेंगे तब आपको
पता चलेगा. और मैम जानना ये भी चाहूँगा क्योंकि ऐसी फिल्मों में कुछ कहानी पर्टिकुलर होती है, कोई मैसेज नहीं होता है, कोई कहानी नहीं होती है. तो बताना क्या चाहती है इस फिल्म के जरिए कुछ
ऐसी फिल्में मतलब ऐसी सब फिल्में
मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम
नहीं, इसमें है कुछ तो है, हम बताना चाह रहे हैं. तो आप खुद का इंटरप्रिटेशन अगर हमें बताएंगे तो बहुत हमें अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि हर आदमी का इंटरप्रिटेशन अलग है. पर देयर इज सम थॉट इन इट, देयर इज आवर हार्ट एंड सोल, एंड देयर इज समथिंग दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से.
हाय राधिका.
Radhika, hi.
Thank you. That was the last.
one last.
This
हिंदी मराठी दोनों.
हाँ, मुझे अरे रजनीकांत के साथ काम करने में किसको नहीं मजा आएगा. तो बहुत मजा आया. I think it was one of the best experiences of my life because it was Rajni sir, very inspiring. He's such a wonderful man. I think इसके जैसा कोई नहीं है. तो मलेशिया का शूटिंग बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत धूप थी और शूटिंग तो खत्म हो गई, अभी डबिंग चालू है तो रिलीज होगी. I think it will release soon.
पण त्याच्यात तुझ्या आणि रजनीकांतजीचे ऍक्शन सीन्स पाहायला मिळणार आहेत.
Maybe.
Thank you very much for the questions, and I would now like to invite on stage Nandu Ahuja, Senior VP India Theatricals.